How to divide fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers without using illustrations. Example 1. 4/5 divided by 2. Write each in fraction form. So we have 4/5, copy division sign, and write 2 as a fraction, which is equal to 2/1. After doing this, you do the 3 steps. Copy, change, flip. Again, copy, change, flip. So copy the dividend 4/5, change the division sign to multiplication sign, and flip 2/1. It becomes 1/2. After that, you multiply. By the way, 1/2 is called the reciprocal of 2/1 or 2. Since 4 and 2 can be reduced by 2, then we have to divide them by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 2 times 1, 2. 5 times 1, 5. So 4/5 divided by 2 is 2/5. Number 2. 1/3 divided by 3. Again, change each into a fraction form. So we have 1/3 divided by 3/1. Then do the 3 steps. Copy, change, flip. Copy 1/3, then times, and flip 3/1 to 1/3. Then you multiply, and again 1/3 is called the reciprocal of 3/1 or 3. Since nothing can be reduced, then we have to multiply both numerators, so it's equal to 1, and both denominators, which is equal to 9. So the final answer is 1/9. Number 3. 3 divided by 1/5. Again, write each in fraction form. 3 is equal to 3/1 divided by 1/5. And then copy, change, flip. Copy 3/1 times 5/1. 5/1 is the reciprocal of 1/5. After that, you multiply. So we get 15/1 or simply 15. Number 4. 4 divided by 1/3. 4 becomes 4/1 divided by 1/3. Then the 3 steps, we have copy, change, flip. Copy 4/1 times 3/1. And then we multiply. And again, 3/1 or 3 is the reciprocal of 1/3. And we get 12/1, which is simply 12. Number 5. 2 and 4/5 divided by 2/5. So write each in fraction form. 2 and 4/5 is equivalent to 14/5. 5 times 2, 10, plus 4, 14, over the denominator 5. Then copy divided by 2/5. Once you have each number in fraction form, then you can do the 3 steps. Copy, change, flip. Copy 14/5, change division to multiplication sign, and then flip 2/5, which is equal to 5/2, and then multiply. 5/2 is the reciprocal of 2/5. 14 and 2 can be reduced by 2, so 14 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 1. Also 5 and 5 by 5, so we get 1 and also 1. So our answer is 7/1 or simply 7. Number 6. 3 and 1/2 divided by 2/3. So write each in fraction form. 3 and 1/2 is equivalent to 7/2. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Copy, divide 2/3. And then do copy, change, flip. Copy 7/2 times 3/2. The flip fraction of 2/3. Multiply them, and again 3/2 is the reciprocal of 2/3. So since nothing can be reduced, then we have to multiply both numerators. So 7 times 3, we get 21. And then 2 times 2, we get 4. Since this is improper, we have to change it to a mixed number, which is equivalent to 5 and 1/4. Number 7. 3 and 1/3 divided by 6. So writing them in fraction form, 3 and 1/3 becomes 10/3. divided by 6 over 1. After that, we copy 10/3. We change division to multiplication sign, and 6 over 1 becomes 1/6, which is the reciprocal of 6 or 6 over 1. Since 10 and 6 can be reduced by 2, 10 becomes 5, 6 becomes 3. 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times 3 is 9. And this is already reduced, and it is a proper fraction, then it's the final answer. Number 8, 6 and 1/4 divided by 4. Writing them in fraction form, 6 and 1/4 becomes 25 over 4 divided by 4 over 1. Then copy 25 over 4, change divide to times symbol, and flip 4 over 1, it becomes 1/4. Then you multiply. 1/4 is the reciprocal of 4 or 4 over 1. Since no two numbers can be reduced here, then we multiply both numerators, so we get 25, and both denominators we get 16, which is equivalent to a mixed number of 1 and 9 over 16. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord will provide. When we divide fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers, indeed, there are a lot of ways to do it. You can use cutting, drawing, illustrating, paper folding, copy, change, flip technique, or a solution that you have discovered on your own. Similarly, in facing our day-to-day challenges, we can respond in so many ways. As long as it is right before others and God, we will never go bad. This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you, your Pinay math teacher.